Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, a lot is happening this week. A lot is supposed to happen today. We're going to just have to wait and see if anything really does happen. But the Senate is supposed to vote on the skinny bill today. They're wanting to call it now the Right to Work Act. I still want to call it the Anorexic Act. Y'all, I wouldn't get too worked up about this because the state of the skinny bill now, it will not get approval from the House. Remember, it's skinny for a reason. It's time to fatten it up with a stimulus check. Right now, the price tag on the skinny bill is around $300 billion. Yes, that does need to be fattened up with a stimulus check for the people, and I believe it will be. This is good news on the skinny bill. If you get unemployment boost, you will be getting unemployment retroactive pay now with the skinny bill. The skinny bill has no mention of a stimulus check, hazard pay, or rental assistance. But out of all of them, I do believe a stimulus check will be added. Y'all, don't forget, I still have stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives on my website. Please check them out. Also, check out my new books. They're on my book website. Okay, what's in the Skinny Anorexic Right to Work Act? More money for PPP loans. Business and schools will be getting liability protection. Parents will get credit for homeschooling. Post office will be getting $10 billion. Farmers will be getting $20 billion in aid. Schools will be getting $105 billion. $16 billion will go for testing. $31 billion will go for research. Okay, now what's not in the bill? There is no money for essential workers, no funding for state and local government, no forbearance for students' loans, no extension of eviction protection, and no mention of stimulus checks. Y'all, this is just a starting point. They still have to go make deals with the House. And the House will bump this up or it will not be passed. So don't get worked up about this. I'm sorry, y'all. I still believe that Donald Trump's $3 billion for stimulus checks will find its way into this bill before it gets passed. Remember, they can pass it in the Senate today, but it still has to get passed by the House. After it gets passed by the House, then it has to get signed off by Donald Trump. So just because the Senate passes it today, it's no sign to get worked up. It won't go any further until it's negotiated on and built up. Remember, the larger bill that is yet to come, the one that they all agree a stimulus check will be on. But the way it is right now, with the skinny bill that they're trying to get passed now, and the larger bill that they're going to try to get passed in 30 days. The way it is now with that, we stand a very good chance of getting 2 stimulus checks. We'll just have to wait and see. Are y'all getting tired of that line? Wait and see. Florida will start issuing unemployment boost sometime this week. Almost all states have applied for it now, and almost all states have been approved. Some states are taking longer than others, but they will all be approved. And it don't matter if it's past the deadline or not, they'll still get what was owed to them. Everybody in the news today is worried about the polls. Who's in the lead, Donald Trump or sleepy Joe Biden? I don't trust polls at all, and I'm going to tell you why. Nobody has ever asked me who am I going to vote for. Not that it would do them any good, because I feel like that's nobody's business but my own, and I will not tell anyone. My wife knows. But who you vote for is between you and your conscience. The less people knows, the better. Y'all, the first presidential debate between President Trump and Joe Biden is going to be Tuesday, September the 29th. Y'all don't miss this show of lies, because that's all it's going to be, a show of lies and grandstanding from both sides. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm really having trouble tonight. If you have kids 18 years old or younger, sign up for the Food for Kids program. Just call the number, and I will put it down in the description. Call that number. They will tell you where in your area to go pick up the food. Y'all, this is not food stamps. There's a lot of people concerned that is it food stamps. It's not food stamps, but even if it was, if you need the help, there's no shame in it. But if you call the number, they will tell you where to go in your area to pick up the food. That's all you got to do. There's no red tape involved. Just go get the food. Y'all, if you need it, please go get it. I guarantee you there's people going to get it that don't need it. Y'all, we need to talk about the contest a little bit. As you know, I've said it many times, on this channel, when I reach 100,000 subscribers, right now we're real close to 75,000. It won't be long, but when we reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway of $1,000. I'm going to do $100 for 10 days. One person every day will get $100. And on my other channel, Wally World's Blogs, where we talk about making your own business, your own ebooks, and etc. Just as soon as I get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I will get monetized over there. When I get monetized, on the day that you start seeing ads run on those videos, we will have a contest over there. And that will be $500. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to give it away, if it would be a one person gets it or 5 days of 100. I'm not sure on that. Y'all let me know what you want to do over there. Y'all please subscribe to that channel, and even more important than that, please watch the videos. I'm real close to getting the 1,000 subscribers that I need over there, but I'm a long way away from the 4,000 watch hours. That's where I need your help. I need you to go watch those videos. Watch all the videos. Watch them multiple times. Let's get this done, and then somebody can win that money over there. It's not going to be a huge channel like this one. it's only going to be 1,000 subscribers, maybe 2,000. So the chances of you winning over there are going to be better than on this channel. Y'all, let's get it done. I need your help. Check out my new books. I got 2 new books. They're in the links below. Also, check out the stun gun site. You may want a stun gun, pepper spray, or a tactical knife. Y'all, I do have another book's going to come out in about a week. Y'all, please check that out. It's also going to be about making money online. Also, my course. I have a course coming out October the 1st. It's going to be a very good course. I am very proud how it's shaping up. It's going to be teaching you how to build your own ebooks and your own platform to sell them on. It's going to be chock full of freebies. The freebies makes it a no-brainer, but I am very proud of this course. Also, for the people that gets in the course, at the end of the course, you will have your own ebook and your own platform to sell it on. But I'm going to also offer to you to put your book on my platform. My platform gets a lot of traffic. I sell a lot of books. If you put your book on my platform, you will make sales. And 100% of that money comes directly to you. I will get none of it. That's my thank you for taking the course. Y'all, I will probably be making another video today. It all depends on what happens, but as you know, a lot of stuff is happening right now. So until the next time, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Leave your questions. I can't answer every question, but I will do my best. Y'all, I love you all. Keep faith in God. We're going to get out of this. I know we will. He would not bring us through to this storm if he's not going to see us through it. I love you all. Ciao.